Hello friends, welcome to Abhi tutorials. So today in this video, we'll see how to work with dates in Power Query. For example, I have a list of dates here. So I want to check whether a date is the present day, that is current day, okay? And yesterday, current day, yesterday, and 2 days before, like that, we'll check some conditions. So let's write a custom column. Okay, so for example, I want to check whether date is the current date. Okay, so for that, date equal to okay, date time dot date. Okay, so it's printed double. Let's remove one. Date time dot date. Okay, so date time dot local dot local now. Okay, so it will return as date and time. Okay, date time dot local now will return date time. So we are taking only date by using date time dot date. Okay, so if that is equal to the current date column, the current row, then it will display true, otherwise it display false. Okay, so right now we have 16th February is current date, that's why it's displayed true. Okay, similarly we'll check one more way to check the current date. Let's write a one more custom column. Okay, so we have one more function, date dot is in current day. Okay, so date dot is in current day also gives us whether the date is current day or not. Okay, so supply the date column here. So this will give us whether date is current day or not. Okay, so same result we'll get. 16th February is today's date. That's why we got the current day as a true. Okay. And similarly, we'll check for yesterday. Okay. Take one more custom column. Right. So date dot is in previous day. Okay. So this will give us yesterday, whether the date is yesterday. Okay. So take this date column here. So it will check whether date is yesterday. Okay, so we have yesterday also here, 15th February. So it has displayed true here. Okay, and one more thing, we'll check a day 2 days before today. Okay, a day 2 days before today is 14th February. Today is 16th February, right? So 2 days before day is 14th February. Okay, so that we'll check using the date dot add items. Okay, date dot add days. Okay, so custom column. Let's check whether date is 2 days before the current day, right? So first we'll take the current date. Okay, so current date, how we'll get date time dot local now. Okay, so this we got date and time. Okay, so this I will convert into date time dot date. Okay, and date time dot local now. Okay, so this will give me current date and time. From that date I am extracting, right? Okay, so till here I have extracted the current date. Okay, so for this I will add 2 days. Okay, let us close the bracket here, and here use date dot add days. Okay, date dot add days, right? So here I'll give -2. Okay, so this should give me the 14th as a true. because it is 2 days less than the current date. Okay, there is error here. Maybe this function is not taken. Let us take with add this like this. Okay, let us try this. Yeah. So here 14th February is 2 days less than current date. That's why it's given true. Okay, guys. If you see the function, I have added -2 to the current date. So this will give me the current date here till here. So -2 I added using the date dot add items, add days. So I got the 2 days before date. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi tutorials for more such amazing Power Query videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.